Hello everyone out there. In last class we discussed about concept of women entrepreneurs. Today we will discuss need for women entrepreneur. As I said, entrepreneurship is necessary to initiate the process of economic development of both developed and developing countries as it is the backbone of economy of any country. Entrepreneur is a catalytic agent of change. It is also instrumental in sustaining the process of economic development. Every country tries to achieve economic development for prosperity and better life standards of its people. Development has economic, social, political dimensions and is incomplete without the development of women who constitute about 50% of total population. So contribution of women is essential in economic activities for healthy nation building. There are various reasons why women entrepreneurs are always required in the world of business. The first and foremost reason is that they have vast qualities that can beat, beat any enterprise operating by men. So here some of the reasons why we need women entrepreneurs in the business. There are some reasons are economic growth, narrowing gender gap, company culture, company culture and safety at workplace, funding or investing to women-led startups, social change. Now we will discuss one by one. Firstly, the economic growth. The influx of more women into the workforce has led to significant economic growth and productivity. Significant growth and economic productivity. This means to say that while more women have sought and got employment in greater numbers, their participation as entrepreneurs is very less. Women entrepreneurs have the unique tendency to build and maintain long term relationships. Now we will discuss the next reason, narrowing gender gap. Even after decades of efforts toward making women equal with men socially and economically, the gap between them remains large. The gap between them remains large. That means the next generation of women is more likely to evaluate their success. Government and corporate institutions must come together to address the gender gap issue in entrepreneurship, which can begin a new era of women-led growth. Next need is company culture and safety at workplace. Creating and preserving a strong positive company culture is the prerequisite for the growth of and long-term success of any company. Studies shows that women-owned firms tend to have better company culture, high values, tendency, etc. They also have long struggled with how to maintain work-life balance, and so it's surprised that they would run companies keeping these types of issues in mind and resolve them for their employees. Next one is funding or investment to women-led startups. Access to capital is crucial for sustainability and long-term growth for any small business. Normally, in women, economic activities are controlled by men. So, in order to have easy access, government or society should support women-led startups. And the last one is social change. In low GDP countries, entrepreneurship can provide a way out of poverty for women faced with few other opportunities. Women entrepreneurship can lead to a tremendous social change, making women financially empowered and independent. Thank you for watching this video.